Welcome back. Money Magnet here, helping you make money online. If you're looking to start a profitable e-commerce business without having to hold inventory, then dropshipping might be for you. In this video, we'll be sharing tips on how to create a successful dropshipping business that generates profit. Tip 1. Choose a profitable niche. The first tip for creating a profitable dropshipping business is to choose a profitable niche. Look for products that are in high demand, but have low competition. Use tools like Google Trends and Amazon bestsellers to research potential niches. Tip 2. Find reliable suppliers. The next tip is to find reliable suppliers for your products. Look for suppliers with a good reputation, quick shipping times, and high-quality products. You can use platforms like AliExpress or Oberlo to find suppliers. Tip 3. Optimize your website for conversions. To generate sales, you'll need to optimize your website for conversions. Use clear and compelling product descriptions, high-quality images, and user-friendly design. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly, loads quickly, and has a simple checkout process. Tip 4. Drive traffic to your website. To drive traffic to your website, you'll need to use a combination of strategies, including social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to build a following. Create email campaigns to reach your subscribers, and use paid advertising platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to reach new customers. Tip 5. Analyze and optimize your results. Finally, to ensure your business is profitable, you'll need to constantly analyze and optimize your results. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics to track your traffic and sales, and make adjustments to your marketing strategies accordingly. And that's it. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating a profitable dropshipping business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online.